So if I were to go around and play the video right here, it plays in a certain quality, and when you pause it, it pauses out in a certain quality as per the setting that you set inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that right now it says full. If I were to go for 1/4, then what happens is that if I were to press the play button, the video plays in 1/4 of the resolution, but it stops in full resolution. If I were to press the play button, it plays in 1/4 resolution, but when it stops, then what happens is that it stops in full resolution. That is because you need to go around over here onto let's say for example this number, and here you can see paused resolution is full. You can make it really high quality by pressing anti-alias right here, and you can also see pause quality is final. But you can set it to fastest over here, and the pause resolution can be 1/4 as well. So once you do that, what happens is that when you play the video, it is in low resolution, while and also when it is paused, it is at the same resolution. So when you go around and then increase out the size, you notice out the quality difference even more. So you can see that it's a bit jagged right here. But if I were to go around and make it anti-alias, then the pause resolution is much more crisper. So if I were to play this, then you will immediately see that it is lower quality, but when you go around and pause it, you get the full quality over here. And this is actually useful when you're editing videos. So let's say you have a low specs computer, or your video is laggy and you want to play it smooth, but you do want to see how the final quality turns out. Then you can turn this on, and that is how you can go around and work with paused video resolution and quality settings inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.